Everyone, welcome to Chirag MongoDB tutorial. In this video, we are going to learn how to install and configure Percona MongoDB on Ubuntu 24.0 for LTS server. So we'll go through the step-by-step process. There will be the complete step-by-step guide to install, run, secure and use Percona server for MongoDB on Debian or Ubuntu. So organized in the best practice flow. So prerequisites are there. Before starting OS, we need the Ubuntu servers. So my server is running with the VMware workstation. There is a VMware workstation Ubuntu 24.0 for LTS server is running here. And root and sudo access, I have an internet connection. Okay. Now I am going to access my server. So cmd. While installing, I have given the username, password, and IP address. So using that, I am going to access. So SSH dpt my user 192.168.136.128 the IP address. So next, configure the Percona repository. So step one, download the repository package. So this is the repository package. We'll download this, then install the package. So Debian package will install. So we have a successfully logged in, and we have a sudo access also. So IP you can check. There is a 192.168.136.128. Now first I'll download the package, repository package, and install the repository package. So dpkg, this is the command with this. Next, enable the MongoDB 8.0 repo. So 8.0 repository. So now, so after this, just update the package list. So sudo apt update. Next, we are going to install the Percona server for MongoDB. So sudo apt install Percona server MongoDB. Give the permission, yes. So approx 850 MB of additional disk space will be used. So wait for some time. Let it complete. There is just somewhat slow. Package will be. Let me start again. So installation is going on. So Percona server, MongoDB server, this is going to be download. So near got completed. Now we'll update. We have done this one. So default path will be the data path will be there. So where slash lib slash mongodb, this is a default path for the data, and configuration path will be slash etc slash mongo dot conf. So enable the transparent huge pages THP. So required for the MongoDB 8, there is a malloc optimization. So temporary you can enable is this. Recommended make it persistent by the system config. Next, manage the MongoDB service. So start the service, then check the status. So this is a active. So you can check the status. If you want to stop the service, then you can go with this command. You want to restart the service, you can go with this command. So there is a restart and MongoDB. So next, the secure MongoDB. So enable authentication. So connect without auth. Let me connect with this Mongos. So we have connected now. Now switch to the admin DB. So use admin, and let me create one user. So admin user and password is admin at the rate 123, and DB we are using the admin. So let me run this. Exit. Now shut down the server. Let me log in again. Use admin and shut down. Exit. Now start the MongoDB with authentication. So this process started successfully. Next, we are going through the authentication process. Access with the authentication. So asking the password. Password is admin at the rate 123. So enter. You are logged in now. So basic CRUD operation we are going through this. So now you are connected. Let's test the test database operation. So insert data. So insert one is inserted. Now insert many. If you want to insert more than one, then you have to run through the insert many. Now we can find this. So fruits find, we are getting all the data. So this one, two, and three. We have inserted first one. Here you can see there is a weight is missing on this one. If you want to update the column, so you can update one, you can run this command. Here item is equal to apple, item is equal to apple, and then set weight is equal to kg. So with this, so insert it. Now check with the command. So we are getting all the details, updated details. Now you want to delete any or many. So we're running this delete many. Quantity is less than 30. So less than 30 is quantity is banana. So let me enter this one and let me check. So banana is deleted because they have a quantity less than 30. So final result is there. So install Percona MongoDB, running services, authentication is enabled, admin user is created, and CRUD operation is tested. So finally we have completed the Percona MongoDB installation, and disclaimer is that all trademarks, logo names belong to their respective owners. This video made only for the education and information purpose under the Fair Use Section 107 Copyright Act 1976. Follow me on YouTube, Instagram, LinkedIn, Facebook, WhatsApp channel, and Telegram channel is there. Follow the process exactly shown in the video. Share this YouTube video with your friends and colleagues. Drop your question in the YouTube comment box. I will reply personally. So subscribe for the free tutorial and certification tutorial. Don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to Chirag Mahto. So hope this will help. Thank you for watching.